Hello everyone, hope you are fine and doing well. In my today's video, I will tell you about the sound and speaker problem in your device Oneplus Nord N10 5G. Before starting the video, if you are new to my channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon so you can get new videos. Now let's move to the topic. If in your device Oneplus Nord N10 5G, you are having any issue related to the sound or the speaker of your device, you can solve this by the method as I am showing in this video. So follow the steps and watch complete video and learn how you can solve the sound and speaker problem in your device.